The HYSEYY rolling clothes rack HY-48BK is built with robust 1-inch steel tubes, offering impressive durability and capable of supporting up to 420 pounds. This versatile clothing rack is perfect for optimizing storage and organizing garments, with additional side hooks for accessories, making it suitable for various settings such as bedrooms and retail spaces. Equipped with 4 industrial-grade wheels that rotate 360 degrees, this rack ensures easy mobility and stability, with 2 locking wheels to keep it securely in place. The assembly process is straightforward and efficient, taking only about 10 minutes with a snap-lock installation system that requires no complex tools. HYSEYY provides excellent customer support with a dedicated team available around the clock to assist with any inquiries or technical issues. This sleek black garment rack is not only functional, but also adds a modern touch to any space, making it a stylish addition to your home or business.